What is the SSL TLS handshake? The SSL TLS handshake is the process that happens when your browser and a web server first connect over HTTPS. Its job is to verify the server's identity, establish encryption rules, create secure keys for communication. Let's break down what happens step by step. Step 1. Client hello. Your browser, the client, sends a client hello message to the server. This message includes the SSL TLS versions it supports, a list of supported encryption algorithms called cipher suites, a randomly generated number, other optional information like supported extensions. Step 2. Server hello. The server responds with a server hello. It chooses the TLS version and encryption method cipher suite to use, another random number, its SSL certificate used to prove its identity. Optionally, it can request a certificate from the client. Step 3. Certificate verification. The browser checks the server's SSL certificate. Is it issued by a trusted certificate authority, CA? Is it valid and not expired? Does the domain name match? If the certificate is valid, the handshake continues. Step 4. Pre-master secret and key exchange. Now it's time to set up encryption. Depending on the algorithm, EHG, etc., the client generates a pre-master secret. It encrypts it using the server's public key from its certificate. Only the server can decrypt it using its private key. Step 5. Session key generation. Both the client and server use the pre-master secret, the two random numbers from earlier. They each calculate the same session key used to encrypt and decrypt all future communication.